Chevrolet Cruze 1.4 engine, 2016 to 2019. The boost pressure sensor is located on the right side of the intercooler. Replacing or cleaning this sensor is very simple. Disconnect the connector, remove the single screw and pull it out.